Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? My name is Kunle Fowowe. I'm a naturopathic expert. I help people with the use of herbal medicine. To God be the glory for granting every one of us the chance to see a brand new year, 2025. We thank God for the testimonies He gave us in the last year, and we thank God for what He's going to do this year. Now, this evening, I'm here to talk majorly on kidney issues. You know, this issue is becoming rampant every day. And this has nothing to do with whether you are very holy or you are unholy. It has to do with just ignorance about a lot of things that people don't know. Now, look at my face very well, everybody. 3 major things that causes problem for the kidneys. Listen very well. Number 1 is urinary tract infection. Meaning, anytime you observe that you are having urinary tract infection, don't delay the treatment, because delay in treatment for urinary tract infection, it will always lead to what we call pyelonephritis and nephritis. Meaning, the bacteria can climb from the urethra into the bladder. Now, when the bacteria resides for a long time within the bladder, it enters the urethra and it climbs into the kidney. And it starts causing what we call pyelonephritis and nephritis. That means inflammation of your kidney. Now, immediately this begins to happen, you will observe that you will be having pains. And from experience, the left kidney is always the first one that is always affected most times. Later on, it will migrate to the right kidney. You start having that pains. It is caused by urinary tract infection. Now, when it happens like that, if you treat it within short period of time with the right antibiotics, you will be free. But if you leave it to degenerate and it begins to cause a lot of swelling and inflammation on your blood, your kidney, it will eventually lead to kidney problems. Number 2, diabetes. Whenever you are having excessive sugar in your system, don't joke with it. Try to take something to normalize it, because diabetes is one of the major causes of kidney problems that leads to kidney failure. Number 3 is, which is the most common one, is high blood pressure. Now, when your blood pressure is always going high and you don't take action in regulating it, at the end of the day, it's going to cause problem from your kidney, because the adrenal gland that is controlling your circulatory system is also the one controlling the kidney. And if this one is not taken care of in time, it will lead to problem for the kidney that will now get to the level of dialysis. I have said it before, I'll say it now, and I'll keep saying it. Dialysis is only a temporal solution to maintain your body. It is never the quick solution for fixing your kidney. Now, when a kidney is having issues, what is happening is that there is a poor filtration. Now, when there is a poor filtration, it leads to the increase in your creatinine and increase in your urea, and the sodium could be affected, the bicarbonate could be affected, the chloride could be affected. Now, when the kidney is not filtering well, what it simply means is that the nephrons, that's nephron like a sieve inside your kidney that is filtering up, but immediately is not working well. That is what leads to a case of a person getting to go and do dialysis. Now, one thing you need to know is that even if a person does dialysis for 5 years, at the end of the day, they will always advise that person to go for kidney transplant. But the question you will ask yourself is, how many Nigerians can cough out 30 million and above for kidney transplant? So because of this, and I've been telling my patients that used to come to my office of recent, before dialysis machine came about, what was our forefathers using to treat their kidney? What is the medication that people in the village that don't have the power to get dialysis machine to get rid of to get rid of the excess creatinine in their body? What are they using? What are they using to get rid of excess creatinine? It is natural herbs. God has created everything for our solution, but it depends on how far we can go. Now, when it comes to kidney detoxification, there are natural herbs that God has given that power to re-energize your kidney, to empower your kidney to get rid of excess creatinine and urea levels in your blood. that you will not have to be going for kidney dialysis. Then even if you have been on dialysis, if you don't want to end up looking for kidney transplant, you should take natural herbal that will help to heal up the kidney. That's what we call trophorestorative powers of the herb. The herbs like nettle seed, juniper berries, a lot of herbs that helps to renew the kidney, that helps to empower it and allows the nephrons to start working well. Then note, when you are on treatment, there is a lifestyle change that must happen. Meaning, when you are trying to heal your kidney, you don't stress your kidney with your diet. You don't stress your kidney by eating certain set of things. You must stay away from these things that stresses your kidney, and you consume more of fruits that helps to heal up your kidney apart from the herbal medication that you are taking. Like I've always told most of my patients, whenever you are on treatment for kidney, don't joke with berries. Talking about fruits like blueberries, cranberries, strawberries, they are very, very good. Melons are very, very good. Watermelon is very, very good. Citrus fruits is very, very good. Lemons, oranges, they are very, very good. Pineapple, you can eat it as well. Apple, you can eat it when you're on treatment, but don't eat much of banana because of the potassium. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Then also, you must eat things that are not stressing the kidney. That means you must stay away from majorly proteinous foods like meat. You don't eat meat when you are having kidney issues. You avoid it. Then for those of us that are used to drinking beverages, stay away from beverages. Anything that is filled with simple sugar, stay away from it when you are having kidney issues. Then thirdly, I want to speak about kidney stones. Kidney stones start when there is an aggregate of oxalate in your kidney and it begins to formulate to become stones. And this thing is always very, very painful. And naturally, God has blessed us, especially in Africa, with herbs that can crush stones. And that is what is filled in this product that you are seeing. Kidney stone crusher is a kidney cleanser that is majorly for kidney stones. Then when you are on treatment for kidney stones, let me give you a secret. When you are on treatment for kidney stones, apart from taking the kidney kidney stone crusher tea, you will be drinking what we call apple cider vinegar. You will mix it with warm water and little lemon. You will be drinking it in the morning and drinking it at night, consuming a lot of water. Then also, olive oil. Olive oil, you will mix it with lemon a little and you will be drinking it. When you take it this way and you take the kidney stone crusher tea, it will melt all those stones. Testimony is available, no matter the size. The surgery is very expensive. The surgery doesn't fix the problem because before you can have issue with kidney stones, it has to deal with poor filtration. Then for those of you that are always fond of drinking, sodas, it's not good. All these things can lead you to having kidney stones. For those of you that always say, I don't like drinking water, these things can lead to you having kidney stones. And for those of us that we are having issues with the kidney, this is the product for the kidney restoration. This is kidney restorer. Its work is to heal up the nephrons. Then this is the kidney cleanser. Its work is to reduce the creatinine level and the urea levels. Now, when you are reducing the creatinine level and the urea levels, and you are also taking the product to restore your kidney, at the end of the rate, the GFR will start going up. That means if your GFR is very, very low now, because your creatinine level is very, very high and urea level or your salts are very, very high, by the time you begin to take the medication, it will start boosting up your glomerular filtration rate. And when it keeps climbing up, that means your kidney is already healing. Then, like I've always told all my patients, it is not 1 month treatment. It is not 2 months. It is something that takes time. You have to be patient when you're on treatment. But one thing I can assure you, we have many patients, to God's glory, that with testimonies. One thing I can assure you, that whether you're having edema, that your leg is swollen, when you begin to take the kidney cleanser, the leg will be going down. When you're having edema or your leg is swollen, it means your body is retaining fluid and salts that is supposed to be getting expelled. The kidney cleanser helps to take care of that. Your leg will go down. Then if anybody is having issues that their tummy is already swollen, The medication combined will also get rid of that. Then if anybody is having liver issues, because I've seen patients that as they're having the kidney issue, they're having liver as well. We have a medication that helps to clean the liver as well. We call it liver flusher. It's going to be taking care of the liver. And if you're having hepatitis as well, we have a medication that helps to get rid of the virus from your system. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So if you know that you're having any issue, whether you have a patient that is on dialysis, call me. Let's talk. I will explain things to you. There's nothing hidden about it. Or if you are in Lagos, you can come to our office at Suite 22 Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road, Agege in Lagos. Once you get to the BRT terminal at Iju Garage there, enter the Primatech Plaza and tell the security people that you are going to Dr. Kunle's office. They will bring you to my office. This is the kidney cleanser, and we have the one for kidney stones as well. You don't need surgery for it. This is the kidney restorer. Now we have them in powdered form and we have them in capsule form as well. Difference is somebody that is consuming powdered form will consume more within a short period of time, and their prices are different. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. Their prices are different. The restorer capsules has 150 capsules inside. The powder, it is 230 grams for the powders, both the restorer and the cleanser. And for anybody that is having diabetes, this is the solution. It helps to regulate your sugar. It helps to heal up your pancreas to start producing insulin to control your blood sugar by energizing your beta cells. The beta cells inside the pancreas is what helps to produce insulin. So once it's re-energized and is working, after some time you'll be free from diabetes. And for those of us that have issues with prostate, this is the prostate enlargement. If you are having bladder infection, this is it. And if you are in Lagos, you can come to our office at Suite 22 Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road, Agege in Lagos. I love you all. I see you remain your one and only Kunle Fowowe. Thank you very much.